Okay, good afternoon. I'm Miss Wigington at South Pontotoc. I'm the band director at the middle school, and I have Bobby Onsby here with me, who's a Lions Band saxophone player, who is going to do a little bit of technique and warm-up building for our saxophonist. Any of you that are saxophone players, this is something that you should do every day so that you can improve on your tone and your articulation and things of that nature. What the exercise we're going to do is octaves. And each octave you're going to play basically, you're going to start at middle finger C, and all you do, of course, is add your register key very smoothly, and you're going to play each one of them 5 times. I didn't have enough room for the staff, so I wrote musically the first 3 examples, and then this is actually what you're playing up top. So we're going to let Bobby start, and I'm going to talk as he plays it. So. So that would be the octave exercise. What would be the next thing you would do?
An articulation exercise. We would start on a G and play our B flat scale and articulate going up
okay.
to A. And then go back down in triplets.
Okay.
Well, not triplets, in 3.
3. Okay, I want to break that down just a little bit for everybody, especially so our younger students can understand what he's doing. He's actually playing 16th notes, right?
Yes,
1 and 2 and 3. So what's the first pattern that you play? Is it
1 E and a 2.
1 E and a 2? Okay.
Good news is I'm still cleaning it.
Okay, well, we're videoing, please.
Bad news is I ran out of Clorox wipes.
Okay, fine. So the pattern that he's playing is 1 E,
1 E and a 2.
1 E and a 2. Okay, I'm sorry, I got distracted. 1 E and 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the pattern he's playing. T, 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 okay, on each one. So do it a little slower. You want to start slowly, okay, and then gradually each day speed it up so that because you want to play them very evenly. Play an example of it not being even. Okay, so we're going to go about this tempo. T, 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 about right there. 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, and then coming down, he does it in 3.
1 E and a 2 E and a 3.
1 and a 2.
So 2 sets of those.
Okay, so coming down, we're playing 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. T, 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 T. Okay, now come back down. All right, so as you're beginning to get into this, you want to take it at a good steady tempo where you can move your tongue consistently, the same every time. But what you want to work yourself up to is this. So now play it how you normally would start your warm-up process with this. Now, the little subtle things that he's doing that I want to point out, he did all of that on one breath, okay, which is very important. Proper breathing, proper inhaling and exhaling is very important. Also, the consistency of his embouchure, it's very round and not flat. The cheeks aren't smiling. So when he plays some more things, you can do that. What would be the next thing you would warm up?
Scales.
Okay. All right. Well, we want to go into, we know the B flat scale. I hope we all remember that. We want to look at the scales that explore the lower octave and the upper octave of the alto saxophone. So we're going to start with the lower octave first. Now, what I want you to do, Bobby, is I want you to start on F without the register key, and I want you to play down one note at a time down to that low B flat. Okay?
Chromatically.
No, as you would in the scale. Da, 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 da. Just play down to it. Okay? Do it again, and I'll point out the fingers. All right, go ahead and play.
I
Play
want you to
F.
be that.
Yeah, go to a B flat. F, E. Now, because Miss Wigington made a mistake, we're going to play E flat because that'll be in the scale, right?
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. We're just, they're not going to be able to start, and you need to realize this, unless you've played that B flat from the beginning, it's a hard note to just honk out there. When you're playing as a young player and a beginner before you've ever started, you have to spend a lot of time just honking on that B flat, honk on that B flat. Okay? Bobby had to do that a lot. Okay? I seem to remember when Bobby couldn't play that note. So, but we just kind of play down the horn. So let's play down the note, the horn, scale patch. F, E flat, so far. Okay, so to work on the concert A flat scale for the alto saxophone, you need to spend a lot of time playing those notes which you are playing. You're playing F, E flat,
G.
D,
C.
C, B flat. Okay. You know, when you don't teach every day, you lose it. Okay, what happened? Okay.
The timer's still going.
Is it?
Camera's
Okay, so we're going to go on. All right, so play the F, please, Bobby. E flat.